Hi everybody. I hope everybody's doing real well today and that all things are going good, especially in this time where we have got this coronavirus and we're just trying to stay healthy and away from anyone that might have it. It's kind of hard to tell, like I work in an industry where we service people right now. Because I'm retired, I didn't want to go into an office again. So I'm just kind of doing hair, and our shop is closed for a few weeks. So I'm kind of glad because with my age and my issues that I have with health, my autoimmune disease and so forth, it just makes it a little easier for me to stay healthy by being stuck at home. And I don't mind being stuck at home, to tell you the truth. I'm enjoying myself. I'm getting a lot of things done with these projects that I'm on. I'm starting to work on my daughter's book, and I have two that I have to work on. So hopefully we'll get those done in this 2 weeks, but I doubt it because it takes a long time. And then I am going to be doing a video, and I want you to know that we are working on that now, and it should be up soon, hopefully. We're going to do our elephant, and I have a picture of my elephant that we're going to do. Let's see. So we're going to work on this one. Ooh, you can't see it very well, can you? But there it is. We're going to work on him. I think that this will be fairly easy for people to do, and we're going to draw him out. I plan on drawing him out on a 11 by 14 canvas, and we're going to blur the background. We're going to get this elephant looking so good, and we're going to do some color in here, some color, like how I did the little doggy a while back, how I got the background going. And I have my canvas prepped. So if you want to prep 11 by 14 canvas, you can do that. What I did is I mixed ultramarine blue, raw umber, and white. And I did the background. So that kind of gives me a medium texture or medium background where my elephant is going to be placed. So we're going to probably cut this down a little bit. But I'm thinking he'll basically fit on here if it works out the way I want it. So hopefully we'll get that elephant up, and you guys can have something to do on this in this crazy couple weeks. I'm not sure how long I'll be out of work, but I know that we're going to be closed for at least 2 weeks, and I am a little afraid to go back until this is all over. So until we meet again. Oh, by the way, I got a new video camera, which I'm using right at this moment. I'm so excited. It's such a nice camera. I got it used, but it is such a nice camera. It's a Canon, and it's amazing. I didn't spend a lot on it. It's worth like at least $1,300, and I got it for quite a good price on Mercury, or I think it's Mercury. How you say it, I'm not exactly sure, but people sell their items on there, and I was fortunate to find this, and it's a woman who used this to travel around, and she took such great care of it. Now the only thing I have to do is get maybe a microphone. I'm hoping that this is working as far as sound goes. I'm not exactly sure. I have to still get used to the camera. So we'll see you soon, and take care of yourselves. I'm praying for all you people that are my subscribers, and please like, share, comment. I love to hear comments, and I don't get enough. I don't know if you're watching my videos. I'd like to know if you're watching them. If you like to see something that you would like to paint, please tell me. I'll be happy to show you anything that I know. I enjoy doing this, and I like bringing my art talent out there to you. You can always pick up something from me or someone else. But with all these together, you could become such a great artist. And it took me years to be able to be positive about my work. And it just, I started out when I was 11. So it's been a long time. So, I've learned trial and error. That's all it is, in practice. So until we see each other for the video, have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye.